Welcome back to Jasmine Fields Speaks. I am Jasmine Fields. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick tip on how to keep your towels organized. I don't know about you, but I like for all my things to match. It's just another way to keep things nice, neat, organized, and productive. My bath towels are no exception. When I purchase my bath sets, I always purchase the bath towel, the hand towel, and the washcloth, all to match. But in order to prevent that leaning tower of towels, I know you know what I mean. When you fold your washcloths together, they get all bulky and off balance, and they end up falling over on your shelves. In addition to that, when you go to pick out your towels to put them out, for some reason you have a washcloth that matches, well, nothing. So this folding system is going to help you keep your shelves nice, tidy, organized, and most of all, your bath sets matching. When you come to my home, you will find all of my towels folded like this. And inside of the bath towel, which is going to serve as your holder, you will find everything that you need in order to shower, wash your face, and dry your hands. You're going to find your washcloth, your hand towel, and your bath towel. In order to make this system work, I first fold my bath towel into quarters. So you have your full bath towel. I'm going to fold it in half, then fold it in quarters, and then finally fold it in thirds. Now that it's folded in thirds, I'm going to open this flap, and I'm going to take my hand towel. My hand towel is literally folded in quarters, so fold it in half and fold it in half again into a quarter, and I'm going to set that on the inside of that open flap. And finally, you have the washcloth folded in half, also laid on the inside, and I'm going to close that flap. So here is a nice set of towels. It's obviously not bulky, it's nice and thin, and it lays flat on your shelf. That's going to prevent you from putting all your washcloths together. They get all big and bulky and then they start falling over. It also helps prevent missing pieces because when you wash them, everything goes into wash together, and when it comes out, you fold it back together and place it back on your shelf. The other great thing that I love about using the system is that when I have guests over to the house, I don't have to point them in 3 different directions in order to get their bath set. All I say is just go grab a towel off of the shelf and they will have everything they need right there ready for them all together. So that's just a quick tip on how to keep your towels organized. This is Jasmine Fields Speaks. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like this video if it added value to your life. In the comments below, please share other places where you are trying to get organized. Thanks for stopping by the channel. I am Jasmine Fields, and I'll help you in the next video. The leaning towel of towel. This helps prevent the leaning tower. This helps prevent that leaning towel. But in order to prevent that leaning tower of towels, leaning tower of towels.